Right, hi everyone. As promised, here is the flip through of my completed planner. This is the, I shall open and it actually reveals what it is. It is the 2021 weekly planner, Johanna Basford's, and there were tutorials made of every page, so you can go back this in the playlist that this video is actually going to be in and look back at those if you want to do them. But I'll just have a little look through with you. I thought it would be fun and talk you through really. So this page I wanted to try colouring on black because I never had before, and I don't know what pencils I used, but I used white in there, which was quite fun. It was just really interesting to do something a bit different. This one, as you can see, I used a limited colour palette. There is a video of these as well, even though they're not actual days, as it were. Okay, we might just move you into the middle a little bit more because it'll be more in focus, and there isn't anything on the right hand page apart from a bit of pencil transfer where I didn't put pieces of paper between. So for this one I wanted to try something very different. So I just did a grayscale sort of page. I'd done it before because it's in How to Draw Inky Wonderlands. I've done all of these pictures before, so because I've finished all of Johanna's books, but it was really fun to do it again in a different way, as it was with all of them. Ah yes, Enchanted Forest. I really enjoy this particular picture in the book, and it was great fun just doing this little excerpt from it and having a play with different greens. Look how it's transferred onto the other page, wow. Okay, so here is our page from Ivy. I actually redid this page quite recently in my new copy of Ivy and much preferred it to this version, but you know, that's fine. We have likes and dislikes, so I sort of kept to a limited palette with some gold and purples and greens really. Ah yes, this one. Now this page, there was a video for every flower, which was quite fun. So I really took my time on each one, studying it and colouring it slowly. I had loads of fun with that one. Aha, we had a couple of videos from this one as well, I think. And that was also lots of fun from Magical Jungle. I think showing you how to do these leaves was quite a popular video because having a big leaf to colour, quite daunting, so it's quite fun showing you a technique for that. And here we have a picture from Secret Garden, and I think this is from the artist edition. It's slightly different to the, it was just a different cut to the main book. I've done some pastel in the background. It's pretty, isn't it? I think it's pretty. Oh, we have a heart. There's always a heart for February, isn't there? And this one's from How to Draw Inky Wonderlands. And I think I tried some different sort of pinks and reds, which weren't quite so sort of Barbie pink, a bit more orangey, so that was fun. I enjoyed that one. Oh yes, the jellyfish with the bubbles. That was fun, showing you how to do little bubbles. Not very sophisticated, but just quite fun. Oh yes, pink, page of pink. It's rather fun. I'm really not a pinky person, but I've got really into pink since colouring, which is really interesting. I had lovely fun with this page. I really like this page from Ivy. I haven't done it in my new copy yet, but I'm looking forward to it. Oh yeah, World of Flowers. Yes, these were the first pictures, I think, some of the first I tried with my Arteza premium pencils, which was a lot of fun. I was quite impressed with how vibrant they were. And that one is a rather more delicate palette. I suspect those are probably Ergosofts, but I like this page as well. It's a really nice one from Lost Ocean. This one's from How to Draw Inky Wonderlands as well. I'm having a bit of fun with the sky there, messing around with it a little bit. And I think there's even some silver and gold on there, even though it's not a festive month in March. Still play with a bit of magical colours. Ooh, I've just completed this page again in Magical Jungle. I haven't shown anyone yet. I may have done by now. I'm trying to think. When I complete it, I'll do a flip through and I will put it onto my channel. But I'm messing around a little bit with the order of my videos at the minute. But I remember doing the video on the elephant, I think, which was fun. Ah, lobsters. Yes, I remember these were quite tricky. I think I've got some pen in there because it's quite fine work. So that was interesting. Oh, I like doing this one. It was such fun with that lovely purple and pink colour palette with the bits of green. I really enjoyed that one. Tree houses. Again, I wanted a limited palette. It's a lot more subtle, but it was a lot of fun. Now this one I had a good opportunity to show off a sunset or sunrise, not sure which. I had fun with that, and the water as well was good fun. But that turtle is such a cutie, isn't he? Really enjoyed colouring him, I seem to remember. Oh yes, this was where I sort of showed how a few white pen dots can really make a big difference to a picture. I had a lot of fun with a limited colour palette and trying something a bit different with the old purple and orange. This was done in all pastels, so it's a bit of a mess. It was an experiment. I was reasonably happy with it, but not with the colours I chose. I seem to remember. So, a bit of a down. Now this page is such a daunting page in Ivy, and I remember having quite fun doing various videos on the different bits of metallics in there. It was quite tricky, but it was quite fun. And here we have one from World of Flowers. I think it was this pot I did in the video to show you how to get that sort of three-dimensional effect on the different pots and things, which was quite a lot of fun. Here we have a picture from Lost Ocean. I think they have a black background with a paler colour foreground, which was fun to do. And actually, not only have I got transfer across on this page, it might not pick up on the camera, you can't see it well anyway, of the pencil, the pen is transferred over as well, which is interesting. Yes, the treasure page. Such a tricky one at times, but it's fun to do. My gold looks very yellow in this picture. Interesting. Here we have another Magical Jungle page. It looks like I kept all the leaves the same colour and just added a bit of colour in the flowers just to make it a bit more interesting. And another limited colour palette with yellows and blues. It's fun. Blackberries. Oh yeah, I remember this. The very sparkly toadstool mushroom. Hang on. There you go. It's one of the Pentel pens. I think it's run out now. But yeah, because it's got orange and gold on it. And shells in the sea, did them all the same. I find that using a limited colour palette on a page like this makes it much quicker to do. I mean, obviously it depends if you want to do it quickly or not. I had a lot of fun with this one, combining different colours. I'm pretty sure I used some Castle Arts for that one. And I only had a limited amount of colour, so that's all I could use. I really enjoyed doing this transition of colour there, blending. And Secret Garden. Very nice one, I think. I do like this page. It's quite a daunting page to do, but I think it's so pretty. Johanna's drawn such a lovely one. We have another wreath. Really enjoy doing this honeysuckle. That was the second time I'd done that one, and it was because I'd done it in World of Flowers, and it was a lot of fun. Yes, there's something a little bit different here with oranges and greens. That was a bit of fun, and some black butterflies which really stood out. And we're under the water here. I think I did this tower to try and show you how to make it look rounded rather than quite flat. That was a lot of fun. Now this is my favourite page in Secret Garden. In fact, it might be my favourite page ever. So I'm sure I had a lot of fun showing you that one. And I have demonstrated this flower in several different videos. I don't remember whether I did it for you in one for this or not. I don't remember. Yes, I remember doing this one with the parrot. He's very cute. I've actually just done him in Magical Jungle again. It was my sort of penultimate page. I did him in a slightly festive, Christmassy style. When you look at my flip through, whenever it goes up, whether it's up already or not, you'll be able to take a look at that. I'm not sure how well it worked. You can decide. Lots of blues. I do enjoy a blue palette. Looks rather Delft-like, I think, when it's something like this. Yes, under the water. Sunshine. I think that's Secret Garden. Not sure. Anyway, lovely picture. Lots of fun. I like doing lily pads and things. And this was Holbein pastel pencils, I'm pretty sure, from the look of that. And actually it's quite refreshing to do something in pastel tones. Quite fun. Ah yes, this one was fun with all the metallics and gems and things. Not an easy picture to contemplate at times, but I actually just dived in and had a lot of fun with it. Oh gosh, look how it's transferred over there. I think I might have used Chroma Flow pencils for that one. And maybe even for this one, I'm not sure. But again, a picture that can be quite daunting, but I found it a lot of fun. Look, can you guess what the picture is on the other side? Wow, look at that. I know, I love this picture as well. Lots of fun. Didn't do a background though, which is interesting. I think I sort of, with the planner pages, I just, because it's not a whole picture always, I just don't always worry about doing a background. You know, just have fun with it. And I certainly enjoy doing that one. And here we have another one without background. We have our Magical Jungle page. But it's a lot of fun. We still do the water. I think on my video might have been to show you how to do that swampy water. It's quite fun. And under the water now with some fish from Lost Ocean. It's a lot of fun. And so as you can see, again, a limited colour palette with the same colour fish and the same colour flowers. It just makes it a little bit easier, and I think it gives it a more interesting look. And there's a pastel blue background on that one. Oh, look at the sparkle on that page. Wow. I think I'd obviously just got some glitter pens then. Look at that. Wow. That's interesting. I know, this was a Halloween one. Because look, we've got an orange background, we've got red and blue and stuff going on. I think I thought that might have been green, but it didn't quite come out right. But anyway, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Oh, I love this page from World of Flowers. That peacock is so pretty. Or peahen, maybe? Do you think she's a peahen? I think so. Being the female peacock. Anyway, and she's got a bit of silver or gold pencil on the rim. Another limited colour palette. My very favourite pinks from Polychromos, I think that is. Oh yes, I wanted to make this one quite creepy and spooky. I think I was still in the Halloween mood, but look at that glitter. That was fun. Oh yes, the feast table. Coming up to more recent times, I can remember these. I absolutely love colouring blackberries, so there they are. That was fun, but I think I did some of the food for you. It's a little bit different. Oh, and into Christmas. Just ignore that bit there where I was just experimenting. I think this was where I tried out some new pencils. Yeah, I tried out my new pastel tone pencils, which was good fun. And so I did a sort of pastel tone house, and I was really keen. I also tried out my new distress ink in the background. So it was all a bit of an experiment and a lot of fun, I have to say. Ah, yes, the gramophone. I love this picture, and I've done it 3 times now in completely different ways, and it's really good fun to just keep doing it in different ways. It's because it's quite quick, quite small. You can keep coming up with new ideas. It's brilliant. And here we have the stocking page. I think this has been in this is a series of tutorials with different bits and bobs to do, but lots of fun. I do like this page too. Ooh. This one's a bit curly because he's got a metallic paint pen on him. But there he is in all his festive splendour. I had a lot of fun with that one. And the last one, which you may have watched me yesterday having a go at. There we go. Lots of shine. I think lots of shine is really cool. And I'll just show you the last few pages just for the sake of flipping through the book, but there aren't any more pictures in here. I haven't actually, I suppose when I was scribbling I should really have done it in the back here, but I haven't used these pages at all. And I haven't, or maybe, yeah, oh, I think I was testing to see if this is a felt pen, to see if it went through the page, which it didn't. And there we go. I didn't do the inside cover or the back or anything, but there it is. So I hope you enjoyed that. That was a real fun little journey back through the year for me, and I don't know if you've done yours as well. Have you finished it? Have you started it? Have you enjoyed it? I hope so. Whether you finished it or started, as long as you enjoyed it, that's all that really matters. Anyway, thank you for going through that with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and this time next year might be going through the next one, because I do have the next one, as you may well know. So thank you so much for watching, and happy colouring.